Weche mag chano duoko mag tugo kata match fixing e kind club mar City Stars gi Sofapaka thuolo gi doho bang' chulo fwai mar 200,000 ng'ato ka ng'ato. Achije go magin Achije Bernard Mabende kaachiel gi Martin Munga nomaki tarik 11 dwe mar adek higani kar dak mar Roysambu kaeto bang'e ochwal gi doho gi ketho mar chano tugo ka jotugo mag City Stars nobedo gi winjruok gi obila manochopo kendo ndhiyogi.
I have to say that I'm quite disappointed with that, but then it comes down to exactly what we've pointed out, that without any law on match fixing, any suspects who are caught or arrested will walk scot-free. So I think it's my plea to the National Assembly Committee on Sports and Culture that they need to accelerate, they need to speed up the enactment of laws such that if there's such a suspect arrested or someone is caught with anything touching on match fixing, there's a penal code that is applicable. Otherwise, I think it will just be another disappointment. It's a wasted morning for some of us to have come here for a case that was dropped over a week ago.
Kama chiele ni